Today is January 1st, 2000 and shine.
Yeah, 2009.
And Dow just said,
Dow, can we take a video of us?
Being freaky?
Yeah. Yeah, can we do it?
Yeah. Good idea, Brian.
Dow, can we take a video?
Being freaky?
Yeah. Can we?
I don't know.
Why not?
You gonna put in your porn?
Yeah, you wanna do it? Wanna do it right quick?
No.
Yeah.
Super freak. Super freak. She's a super freaky.
Hey, where's the cover for my phone?
I don't know. Hey,
Brian,
stop with my pussy.
Oh, ooh.
What? Stop.
Come here, girl. See that leg, girl?
Oh my God. Stop. I'm doing something right now.
What you doing?
What are you doing?
What you doing?
I'm doing. Stop touching me, man. You better stop touching me, nigga.
You mean that? Do you mean that?
No.
You think Justine Pond is gonna see this?
Oh my God, mon amour, alors si tu vois cette vidéo, je voulais te dire que je t'aime plus que tout au monde et que ce mongol, il arrête pas de parler de toi et tout, il fait chier, hein, franchement. Mais voilà, je t'aime plus que tout au monde, gros bisous ma vie.
Okay, so now you have to send this to her.
I'm gonna get it. For real.
No.
Stop! Give it to me. Stop with it. It's like a movie, like during like 20 minutes, man.
Man.
I don't know why I'm here with you. You're my ass. You better leave.
You want me to leave?
Yeah, for real.
Right now?
Yeah,
I'll fucking leave.
Okay, leave. Bye bye. Can I have my camera now?
Yeah, no, I'm taking this shit with me.
You bitch, you don't have the thing for it.
You have to record?
Yeah.
I do.
No, you don't.
You want me to leave?
No. Stay here.
Oh, now you want me to stay.
Yeah, you better stay. I was just kidding.
Sure.
I was just kidding.
Yo, we were having a party right now at your crib, yo, and you told everybody to leave.
Yeah.
We could have a...